I recently saw this billboard by Decathlon along Gong Road and I wanted to do something better. So step one was to get stock images. Of course, the tennis ball is a fake PNG, and then got onto it. So I started by copying all the text on the billboard and then cutting out all my images, and then came the process of figuring out how it would look. So I decided to use the logo symbol as a mask for the images, just to give it a cool look, and this is how it turned out. I decided to color match the clothes the models wore to the Decathlon blue, just to give it a bit of harmony, and then went on to figure out the rest of the layout. So after much trial, this is what I ended up with, and I liked it. So again, the before and then what I have. Let me know what you think. That's all. Thanks.